Imagine a world where 1920s elegance meets high-end gaming tech, because that is exactly what this device tries to pull off. It looks like it belongs on a novelist's desk from a century ago, but it hides some of the most advanced features found in modern custom keyboards. The YUNZII QL75 is a striking piece of hardware that immediately catches the eye with its sage green finish and those iconic round punk-style keycaps. It is not just a plastic shell either, as the build quality feels surprisingly substantial with a durable UV-coated finish and heavy-duty metal accents. The standout feature has to be the integrated stand at the top, which perfectly holds a tablet or smartphone, turning a simple desk into a high-tech workstation with a vintage soul. Underneath those retro keycaps, things get even more interesting. It comes equipped with Cocoa Cream V2 switches that provide a smooth, satisfying linear feel right out of the box. Because it is fully hot swappable, anyone can swap those out for clicky or tactile switches without ever touching a soldering iron. The typing experience is surprisingly ergonomic despite the round keys, thanks to the gradually ascending height of each row. What really sets this apart from other retro clones is the QMK and VIA support. This means every single key, including that satisfying metal typewriter lever, can be reprogrammed to do exactly what the user wants. That lever defaults to the Enter key, which feels incredibly nostalgic to flick, but it can be mapped to complex macros for gaming or productivity. Connectivity is seamless across the board. Whether using the low-latency 2.4 GHz dongle for gaming, Bluetooth 5 for a laptop, or a reliable USB-C cable, it handles multi-device switching with ease using the dedicated metal knob on the right. Speaking of knobs, the dual-knob setup is a stroke of genius, giving tactile control over volume and device pairing without digging through menus. The RGB backlighting adds a modern flair that shines beautifully around the round caps, making it look just as good in a dark gaming room as it does in a bright office. It is rare to find a keyboard that balances this much personality with genuine performance. The YUNZII QL75 is a masterclass in blending the past with the future, offering a tactile, thoughtful, and highly customizable experience that proves you do not have to sacrifice power for style. It is the perfect centerpiece for anyone who wants their desk to tell a story while still getting serious work done.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.